Do you do some cooking or help your family cook at home now? Well, yeah, I like to cook meals for myself and my family as well. It's healthier and much cheaper. I'm always interested to try out different recipes and make more delicious combinations of food. Did you do some house cleaning when you were young? Sure, I did. I remember that was kind of a school task back then. Teachers would ask us to help our parents to do some basic chores, like cleaning the table after meals or washing our own napkins. Do you have breakfast at home every day? Well, most of the time, yes. But if I'm running late, then I will just probably buy something for breakfast in a convenience store near my company. Otherwise, I will boil some eggs and sometimes noodles at home. Do you want to learn how to cook well? Oh yeah, I want to be good at cooking. I think it's super cool to make a table of meal all by myself. Also, given the price of the restaurants out there, I think being able to cook well will be more economical. Yeah, I think so. I cannot stand my room being messy and untidy. I will clean up every time I finish the meal, or I will wash up my clothes when they get dirty. I will have a good mood when my room is clean and tidy. What housework do you like or dislike doing? Well, I like to organize my closet. It's really relaxing and it's a good chance for me to check out what clothes I have and a warning for me also to stop me buying more. I really don't like washing dishes because my hands will get oily.